Welcome. Today's review is going to be on these Nike Killshot sneakers, a modern take on the original Killshots. This video will consist of my thoughts on the product. I will try to demonstrate most of the ways you could wear these and talk about all their features. So let's get into it. These are a pair of sneakers that I've wanted for a while. I first came across them back in 2019 at the J Crew store at Mayfair Mall in Milwaukee. They had not been available in Canada either at J Crew or any other retailer until recently. Fast forward 4 years, they were now available in Canada at a couple department and retail stores, including this one. I bought mine online because the pandemic and the extensive lockdowns that we're experiencing here in Ontario prevent you from shopping in store. The shopping experience online was as you would expect, and I got my sneakers delivered within 4 business days from this retailer. The ones that you see me wearing here are a size 10. I've already worn them a few times, but always before I start wearing my new sneakers, I make sure to treat them with a protector. These are nice, lightweight sneakers with a modern look and style. They're made with quality materials. They're not spongy in feel, rather you feel a little lower to the ground, but still feel comfortable with a good amount of cushioning. The modern Nike Killshots are good for all-day wear with no foot fatigue that I can tell. The leather on these sneakers elevates their visual impression, added with a classic navy swoosh on both sides. The gum sole could be a turn-off, but overall, these sneakers are impressively low-key, top quality, versatile, and worth the price at 140 Canadian dollars. Thank you for watching. Is there anything I have missed? You can let me know down below in the comment section. Catch you in the next one.